Bonjour, comment ça va? Moi, ça va super bien. Quelle est la date d'aujourd'hui? Aujourd'hui, c'est lundi, le 6 juin 2022. Lundi, le 6 juin 2022. And here is your title. Dans ma chambre. Dans ma chambre. In my room. And what's the learning objective? Can I say where something is? If you remember, we did learn how to say the prepositions in French. So today we are going to work a little bit more on that. Let's see what we have for today. Our success criteria for today is when we want to say where something is, we use words and phrases known as prepositions. In, on, under, etc. Like dans, sur, sous, devant, derrière, à côté, à gauche de, à droite de. We did learn all of this. Now let's move into the lesson. Bonjour, je m'appelle Jérôme. So what is this one's name? Oui, très bien, Jérôme. Bonjour, je m'appelle Jérôme. Oui, Jérôme. Où est Jérôme? Where is Jérôme? Yes, if you see, you can find Jérôme on top of this table, on the table. Okay, so Jérôme est sur la table. Jérôme est sur la table. Ça veut dire quoi en anglais? Jérôme is on the table. So now we are going to be saying Jérôme in different places, maybe on the table, under the table, next to the table. We're going to try to say it in French. All right. If you remember, 2 weeks back, we did some of these prepositions. Oui, Jérôme. Jérôme est sous la table. Under. Oui, Jérôme. Jérôme est derrière le lit. Derrière le lit. Behind the bed. Oui, Jérôme. Jérôme est devant le lit. Devant le lit. In front of the bed. Oui, Jérôme. Jérôme est entre la porte et la fenêtre. Jérôme est entre la porte et la fenêtre. In between the door and the window. Comment dit-on en anglais? Comment dit-on en anglais? How do you say all these things in English? Sur, sous, derrière, devant, entre, à côté de. It's very simple. Sur is on, sous means under, derrière is behind, devant is in front of, entre, between, à côté de, next to. All right. Please remember all these words. I want all of you to take out your blue vocab book now and try to write down all these French words and its English meaning next to them in your small blue vocab book. Okay, if you don't have one, then please use your French notebooks right at the back of your French notebook. All right. Now we have a reading comprehension. Once you're very thorough with your preposition words, you need to start working on this reading comprehension. But before that, there are these furniture names which you learned in last lesson. But if you don't remember them, please look up the previous lesson. Or if you remember, I told you to write those furniture words in your French vocab book, in your small blue French vocab book. You could look up that book to, find out the meanings if you've forgotten some of them. All right. If you didn't forget some of them, then you could actually try to write this on your own. All right. So first of all, try to write these questions, English questions, in your notebook and try to answer them in English as well. Okay. The paragraph is in French. You read up in French and then you try to answer in English. All right. So just pause it at this moment and then try to work on it. Once it's done, then we'll discuss the answers and then you could write the correct ones if you made some mistakes, and you could do some self-assessment on this. All right. Okay. Now, Once you've completed, then we're going to check our answers. All right? Yeah, I'm going to give you a few minutes. You're going to pause it now and do your work. Okay, now I believe you've completed your work. What you can do is you can actually take out your purple pens to check your answers. So the first one, where is the table? The answer is next to the bed, because it says à côté de mon lit, il y a une table, which means next to my bed there is a table. So next to the bed. Where is the lamp? On the table. What is there? Behind the bed, a big window. Where is the wardrobe? Between the door and the bed. Where is the rug? In front of the wardrobe. Now you're going to mark yourself out of 5. If you got them right, you're going to mark them out of 5 and write now, self-assessed in your notebook with purple pen, and then write what went well and even better if. Okay, so you're going to write how you've done it well, how was the lesson, how much you've learned well, and even better if EBI, what you need to improve on, probably your spellings, probably the words. Right now you have all the words in front of you, so you know them. But imagine if you didn't have any words for help, how would you have written it? So you need to write your EBI as well over there. All right. Okay, so when we meet again, I'm going to check your notebooks for all the work that you've done so far. All right. Au revoir. A bientôt.